Welcome back to today's video. For today's video, I can't say I'm super excited. I am super excited, but I can't say that. For today's video, I wanted to film a light, possibly colorful makeup look. It's warming up just a little, just a smidge. We're in March right now and I want to do a little bit more light, colorful makeup because I love spring and I absolutely love the bright colors. Spring is my favorite season. I say it every year, and so I always like to do a really colorful makeup look to welcome the season, because it's my favorite and I feel like it deserves to be appreciated. I think for this look, however, I want to do it a little bit different than my past looks. I know I did one last year. This year, I think I want to try to do maybe some pastels instead, but you never know. I'm such a hot mess that one minute I'm going to say I'm going to do a natural look and the next I have like black eyeshadow out to my hair. So it's a process. I think that's all the ranting that I have to do. So without further ado, let's get on into the video. I don't know if you can see or not, but I got my little Easter bunny back here. Ooh, he cute. Okay. So I have addressed this in so many videos that it's probably getting annoying, but this eye is red. I'm having really horrible issues with it. It's dry, it itches, it burns. It's a situation. I've put moisturizer on it I think 3 times in the past 24 hours. By putting moisturizer on it, I don't mean like a little dab. I take half the bottle and go and leave it there. Like I want it to absorb. And my eye's like, no girl, no. I don't like you. You can't do this. Move on. Here we are with a red itchy eye. So the reason I say that every video is because my eyeshadow starts to look really flaky and patchy and just crappy. So I just want to mention it. You've heard it a couple times, but so what? I'm going to start by using the Kylie Skin Moisturizer. It really has done nothing super beneficial for my skin. It's a moisturizer, I purchased Kylie Skin a little while ago and I'm trying to use up what I have. Not that I dislike the skincare, but I don't know. I don't really know if it's worth everything it's marketed as. It does smell good though. I won't give them that. And then my eye is going to get a special eye cream. Nice creamy thing of whoop arse. I might try this Clinique Moisture Surge. Do you think that's enough? My eye doesn't. And then it starts to burn. Like, why does it burns with everything? It's really an issue. Oh, it itches. Sorry. Oh, my skin is nice and dewy. Let's put the makeup on. Oh, there. Refreshing. I think I'm going to take some concealer first. This is Makeup Revolution. And I'm going to put this on my eyelids. And I'm going to tap that in with a sponge. And now I'm just going to set my eyelids with a little bit of powder. Now for eyeshadow, what do I want to use? I have the Anastasia Alyssa Edwards palette, which is bloody gorgeous. But they're very pigmented and they're not really pastel. But then I also have the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2. It's pretty. Like, what do we want to do? I don't know. I want to do something light. Oh, crap. I'm not good at making decisions like this. Oh, no. What do I do? If I do colorful shadow, my eyelids are going to be stained and I gotta go to work tomorrow and I don't want stained eyes. Oh no. I think I'm going to work from both of these palettes because I'm having too dang hard of a time figuring out which one I want to use. Okay, so now, that brush too big? It's kind of big. That's too dense. That's not even, no. All my blending brushes are dirty. Why? This is just a crap show already. Ugh. It's orange. I can't do yellow eyeshadow with an orange brush because it's just gonna make a yellow orange. Shoot. Ooh, what about you? Bingo, we got a winner. Okay, I'm gonna go in with the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 and take some of Therapy Sesh. And I am going to take this into the crease of my eye. I'm gonna keep this low because low and slow, right? I can just feel already that this is not gonna be a natural pastel look. Okay, so I have the first shade on, but I don't know what else I want to do. I'm having a very hard time. I'm going to take this yellow up here. I know that I don't have like, foundation on, and this step's probably dumb, but I'm going to start blending this on my lower lash line because I want to get a feel for what I'm doing here. And by doing that, I need to work on my lower lash line. Okay. I'm gonna go in with Therapy Sesh again and wing this out a little bit, and then go in with the deepest purple in the palette and go over that. Okay, here's what we are looking like. I took some yellow and started to blend out these edges, and then it kind of just made like this orange. I think I'm gonna put a little bit of blue eyeliner in my waterline real quick. This could really ruin this look, so I'm really praying it doesn't. I'm gonna take the Stila Shimmer and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow in Freedom. It looks like this. I think I'm gonna put it on the back of my hand and then apply it, and I'm gonna get really close to my mirror, so good luck seeing what I'm doing. Okay, so basically what I've been doing is just working on blending these outer edges, but now I'm going to go into the Anastasia Alyssa Edwards palette and take this shadow right here and put it over the liner. I'm just going to go right over that just to make it stand out a little bit more. Okay, so I think I'm going to stop with the eyes because I've been working on it for a very, very long time. I am going to move on to the face. For my foundation, I'm going to use the two I always use, which are the Milani Conceal and Perfect and the Laura Mercier Candle Glow. You ever get sick of me using the same products? I mean, it has to say something, right? Like, at least I really like them and I'm not just using them to use them. Alright, now what I'm going to do is bronze, and I'm going to use the Marc Jacobs Omega Bronzer. This thing is huge, okay? And I kind of love it. Now for my blush, I'm going to apply some of Milani Luminoso. I'm just going to put some of this on. I mean, my eyelids are going to be stained for like 3 weeks. Okay, that's dramatic. At least a week after this video. Do you see all this color? Now it's time for highlighter. Always my favorite. I think I'm going to use the Jaclyn Cosmetics highlight. I know in my videos that I've been using kind of some of the same products over and over. No one's mentioned it, so I don't think anyone minds, but I know that that can be a little repetitive sometimes. But these are just products that I have in front of me and I've been really enjoying, and obviously I paid for them and I want to use them and I really like them. Hope it's not too repetitive. Now I'm going to go in and do my brows, and I'm going kind of back to an old favorite, which is the Morphe Micro Brow Pencil. This is actually my second one, but I went back to this yesterday and it is really good. I still love my Wet n Wild, but this one does allow you to get a little bit of a more precise brow. Alright, we're getting there. Now I'm going to go back into this palette and take this white, which is fabulous, and put a lot on my inner corner. We're almost done. This is taking forever. I want to do some lower lash line shadow. Go back in with this one. I'm going to go in with the purple, the Therapy Sesh, and I'm going to blend this on my lower lash line. I want a little bit of that really bright pink. I'm going to take some of this Brick Road eyeshadow. I'm layering but keeping it all really tight so that it just doesn't get too blown out. I don't think this is spring at all, but I love it. Really not sure who would willingly wear this look, you know. What's in my eye besides my eye? Nothing. Now what I think I'm going to do is put some lashes on and then come back for my lip, and we are finished. Finally. So I will be right back. Okay, now we're on to the lip and we are done. I'm going to go with the Bare Minerals Liquid Lipstick in Wink. This is really light, so what we got right here, you see this? Try and play me. And I'll do a little bit of a top with Buxom White Russian. It's really, really light, but I love that. Alright, so here obviously is the finished makeup look. I personally absolutely love this. I know I always say that. Hello, I'm not going to upload something I don't love. I love this look. No, it's not practical. No, you'll probably never wear it. But I really do like to do more unique looks every once in a while. 'Cause why not, you know? We get bored of the same old smoky eye. That is it. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And I really hope to see you in my next one. Bye.